fit this Hurco CNC lathe. You get the turn tooling, you get the jaws, and you get the tools. And do they get the cart too?
Sure.
And we're going to give you the cart too. All right, guys, what's your pleasure on us, guys, on a beautiful 2013 Hurco TM8i Turning Center here. And what's your pleasure, guys? Who's got a $10,000 off at a starting? 10,000 is bid to get up 15. 10,000 off and up 15,000 to bid to get up 20,000 to bid to get up 25,000 to bid 25 to the bid now 30. 25 to the bid now 30,000 to get 30 is bid to get up 35. 30 to the bid now 35,000 to get 35. 30 to the bid now 35,000. 35 to the bid now 35. 30 to the bid now 35 to get 35. 35 to the bid now 35 to bid now 35 to bid now 35. 35 to get 35 to bid now 35. How about 31? 31,000 is bid. 31,000, 32,000, 33,000. 33,000, now 34,000, 34 to be down 34, 34 to be down 34, 34 to be down 34, 33 to be down 34 to be down 34, 34 to be down 34 to be down 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, 35 to be down 35 to be down 35, 35 to be down 30, you got 33, 30, no, excuse me, 33, 34, no, you can't cut it less than half, only $1,000 book to play this in, 33,000 now 34, 34,000 to be down 34, not for $500, don't do it, 34,000, 35,000 now, sir. 35, 35. Man, really for $1,000? Think about how many parts you'll make with this thing, man. That'd be the shiniest machine you have all day, baby. Come on. I got 34 here. 35. I can't cut it because I can give the other guy. For $1,000, you're just gonna let this baby go, huh? Wow. I don't know, man. It's like 70 grand there. For $1,000, you're gonna let it go. Think about how many parts you're gonna cut.
All right, fine, 35.
35,000 this bid, they get on 36,000. 30 to be now 36 down to be now 30. I'm a dentist. 36 down to be now 36. 36 down to be now 36 down to be now $36,000 going once. $36,000 going twice. 36,000 third and last call. Last call. I'm gonna sell it. So $35,000. You got it. 375. This is buyer number. Thank you very much. And you saved yourself 3% there, my friend. All right, now.